Hello everyone. Now let's see how we will solve this type of question. The question is 2 raised to x equals to 3. 8 raised to y equals to 72. So this both is given to us. Okay, so these two equations are given to us. And with the help of this, we need to find out the value of this expression. The expression is 8 raised to 5x minus 6y plus 7 equals to question mark. So how we will find out the value of this with the help of these both? The options which are given to us are 612, 126, 216 and 621. So these are the four options which are given to us. So let's see how we will solve this type of question. So first of all, 2 raised to x equals to 3 is given to us. 2 raised to x equals to 3. So nothing can be done here. So this is our first equation. We will keep it as it is. Now our second equation is 8 raised to y equals to 72. Now 8 is cube of 2. So in place of 8, we can write 2 raised to 3. Okay, because 2 3 times is 8. So in place of 8, I am writing 2 raised to 3 because we are going to use this in the equation further. So in place of 8, I am writing 2 raised to 3. Now this y I am keeping here and this is equal to 72. Okay, so this will be our second equation. Now this we need to find out. So now moving ahead with this part. So what we need to find out? This part. So this is 8 raised to 5x minus 6y plus 7. So this we need to find out. So first of all, again here 8 is given. So what we can do is in place of 8, we can write 2 cube. Okay. So in place of this 8, I am writing 2 raised to 3. Okay. And this whole term I am keeping here as it is 5x minus 6y plus 7. So what I have done in place of 8, simply I have written 2 cube. And this part, the rest part, I have kept it as it is. Now moving ahead, so this 3 we will multiply inside this bracket. Okay, so 2 raised to 3 5s will be 15x minus 3 6s will be 18y plus 3 7s will be 21. Now I am separating this. So what I will get 2 raised to 15x. So 2 raised to 15x minus 18y plus 21. So this we have to separate now. So how we will separate? So in place of 2 raised to 15x, see here I am separating this. So 2 raised to 15x into here minus 18y. I will write it like 2 raised to minus 18y into 2 raised to 21. So this 3 I have separated like this. Okay, I have taken it separately. Now what we can do in this? So if you see carefully, 15x, 2 raised to 15x. Now here, if you, this part, you can write it like 2 raised to x and 15 outside. The meaning is same. 15 into x can be written as 2 raised to x and this whole bracket and here 15. So this 15x I have separated like this. Why? Because 2 raised to x is equal to 3. So we can substitute the value for 2 raised to x. That's why I am adjusting this. So 15x, I have simply written it as x and 15 I have separated. Okay, now minus 2 raised to 18y. Now again 2 raised to minus 18y. So minus 18y, see minus 18y means it is minus 3y into 6, 6 3s are 18 and y, or this can also be written as 3y into minus 6. This can also be written as 3y into minus 6. Okay, so what I am doing, 2 raised to, in place of 18y, what I am doing, I am writing it as 3y and here I am writing minus 6. If you multiply this 3y into minus 6, you will get this minus 18y. So these both are same. So I have written like this. Why? Because 2 raised to 3y, again we have 2 raised to 3y equal to 72. So that is why I am adjusting, okay, so that we can substitute the values. Now the last part, 2 raised to 21, this I am keeping as it is. Now moving ahead, now 2 raised to x, this portion, this much, okay, this portion is 3. See first equation, 2 raised to x equals to 3. This is given in the question. So I am writing here 3. In place of this I am writing 3 and this 15 as it is. So 3 raised to 15 into, now 2 raised to 3y. If you see carefully, the second equation says 2 raised to 3y equals to 72. So that is why in place of this whole part I can write 72 okay, raised to minus 6, and here 2 raised to 21, I'm keeping it as it is. Now moving ahead, so 3 raised to 15 I'm keeping as it is, and here 72. Now we will take out factors for 72. So 72 is 8 nines are. So 8 nines are is 72. It means 8 into 9. Now if you see carefully, 8 means it is 2 cube and 9 means it is 3 square. So in place of 72, I can substitute this value 2 cube into 3 square, or 3 square into 2 cube. This I can substitute here in place of 72. So 72 means 3 square into 2 cube, and this whole part raised to minus 6. Okay, so in place of this 72, I am substituting this value 3 square and this 2 cube, this both. So I have written it here, and the power minus 6 I have kept it as it is. Now last term is 2 raised to 21. So I hope you understood what I have done. We have simply substituted the values, and here we have taken out factors for 72. Okay, so I hope this much part is clear. Now further what we will do is 3 raised to 15. Okay, and this minus 6 we will multiply here with both, or what you can do is this whole part, as you can see the power is negative minus 6, so this whole part can be shifted into the denominator to remove the negative sign from the power. So 3 raised to 15 into 2 raised to 21, so this both will be left in the numerator, and this whole part I am taking it the under this term. Okay, so it will be 3 square into 2 cube, and this whole raised to 6. So why I have taken it under the denominator? Because we have negative sign in the power. So to remove that negative sign, I have done this step. So this is the rule of power and exponent. Okay, so this negative 6, okay, it will become positive 6 when you will shift this in the denominator. So I hope till here it is clear. Now further what we will do is, here this term will become 3 raised to 15 into 2 raised to 21 upon, now here you can multiply, so it will be 3 raised to 6 twos are, now you can multiply this, so 6 twos are will be 12, and 2 raised to, here 6 threes are will be 18. Okay, so again this step will become, so I hope it is clear till here. Now further what we will do in this, you can see that 3 and 3, these both bases are same. Okay, 3 and 3 bases are same, so this 3 and 3 bases are same and they are in division. So applying the rules of power and exponent, so these powers can be subtracted. 3 we will write only one time. Okay, and 15 minus 12, what we will do, 15 minus 12. So we have simply applied the rule of power and exponent. So I hope this part is clear to you. Into, now 2 and 2, again bases are same. Okay, and they are in division, they are in fraction. So what we will do, we will subtract the powers. This is the rule, that if the bases are same and they are in and the two things which are given, if they are in division, then the powers needed to be subtracted. So we will subtract this. So 2 raised to 21 minus 18. I hope it is clear. 21 minus 18. Okay, so what we will get, I'm doing here. Okay, so 15 minus 12, what you will get, it will be 3 raised to 3. 3 raised to 3 into, here 21 minus 18. Okay, here 21 minus 18 is there. So 21 minus 18 I have written here on the top, this 21 and this 18. This I have subtracted the powers. Okay, so 21 minus 18 will give us again 2 raised to 3. Now if you see, both are having same powers, 3 times and 2 also 3 times. So we can take it out common. So we can write it like 3 into 2 and whole raised to 3. So here also the power is 3, here also the power is 3. The powers are same. So same powers can be taken out common like this. So I can write 3 into 2 and this whole part raised to 3. Now here, if you multiply 3 twos are is 6. Now you can multiply this both. 3 twos are 6 and raised to 3. So 6 cube. What is 6 cube? If you multiply 6 3 times, the answer is 216. 216. So this will be our final answer. So 216 is our answer for this type of question. If you check out the options, option C, 216. This option C shows the correct answer for this type of question. I hope you understood this question. Thank you.